Guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you this lovely lobster recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. This is also a lobster recipe that I did in Jamaica on my journey to Jamaica. Here you see Cray from Cray Spearfishing Adventure. I'll be leaving his description in the box below. Now he's preparing the lobster for this wonderful recipe. Guys, I had to do this voiceover because of the noise in the background of the motor vehicle passing and people talking, music playing, etc. So guys, just kick back, relax and enjoy this lovely lobster recipe. Now here you see the preparation. Now you have to open the lobster, clean them out. Oh, it's a lot of lobster, guys, a lot of lobster. Give thanks to Cray for catching these lobster. Now we'll be preparing the herbs and vegetable to add to this beautiful dish. Guys, remember, go check him out, Cray Spearfishing Adventure. Beautiful videos of underwater scenery, cooking and all of that. I was blessed to have met him on the journey through Jamaica. This was a wonderful day spent in Portland. Guys, if you can link him up for these wonderful lobster recipe when you're in that side of the island. As you continue to cut up the onion, the carrots, the sweet potato, okra, pepper, scallion, thyme to stuff the lobster with. So just continue to watch and observe. Please remember, guys, like, share and subscribe. Share this video. If you're a lobster lover, please remember to leave a comment if you love this recipe, and if you would like to link up with Cray when you go to Jamaica for the lobsters, I'll leave a description in the box below. Cray showing off some of his knife skills. Very sharp knife, because I have one of them that I hardly use it because it's so sharp. You don't need to sharpen it. Just take it out of the box and start using it right away. Now guys, as we prepare the herbs and the vegetables, as I said, to stuff the lobster, just continue to watch. This is a piece of pumpkin that we'll be adding to the dish. Love lobster, guys. If you love lobster, make sure to share this video. Remember, because of the lobster, we have to cut up everything finely to stuff in the lobster shell. It gives a nice flavor for this dish, guys, a nice flavor. Here now we're gonna prepare the scallion for this dish. So little by little, guys, we're preparing all the ingredients. Now we already cleaned out the lobster, so after this process you'll be seeing us stuffing the lobster and preparing it for the fire. Very sharp knife, guys. Now for Irish potato. As I said, guys, everything in this dish, it's a lovely dish. I've seen him make it many times before, and now I've experienced it live in living color. It's not like those small lobsters that you get when you go to Red Lobster. These are some giant lobsters. Gonna cut up some pepper. You know, I love my spice, you know. So I want to say thanks to Cray for this collaboration. Actually, I wasn't gonna do a video, you know, guys, but I say, yo, I'm going to be out for a while, and I just decided, oh, let me just do this little video to give it to you guys, because you haven't seen me in a while. Now guys, now we're getting ready now to stuff and season the lobster. Here you have your Maggi seasoning and the famous Slap Your Mama and Old Bay seasoning. You know, Cray don't go nowhere without his seasoning. 3 the hard way. Old Bay, Slap Your Mama, and Maggi. Now you're gonna season up the herbs and vegetables, then you're gonna mix it up. Look at that. Guys, you could smell the aroma. Look at all those colors, guys. You know me and the color already. I love when my dishes has a lot of color. Now I'm gonna cover up this thing while we start to prep the lobster now. Look at that, guys. Lovely. Just gonna open them up to put the stuffings in. Nice big lobsters. So if you're a lobster lover and you wish to link up Cray, as I said, the description will be in the box below. You can order your lobster, and before the season go out you can get it. Even if you want him to cook up the lobsters for you to do this dish and many other lobster dish, you can also contact him. Alright, now for the stuffing. We're gonna just dash a little seasoning onto the lobster just to give it that flavor itself. Not a lot. This is the Old Bay. As I said, 3 the hard way when it comes to seasoning with Cray. Old Bay, Slap Your Mama, and Maggi seasoning. Lots of meat in these lobsters. Guys, please remember, like, share, and subscribe, guys. If you don't share and like the video, it makes no sense, because it's not gonna get my video promoted more. So guys, if you really enjoy this lobster video, please let it shot to 1,000 views. Share it, comment on it, tell me how you love it. Now guys, we're gonna have a stick of butter now. We're gonna just cut it up, add it to the pot, the pan, just to give that extra aroma for this dish. Now for the vegetable, I'm gonna just stuff them in. Don't mind what falling out, as long as you get as much as you want to get inside. Look at that. Some lovely colors, lovely colors. I can tell already that this lobster recipe is going to be delicious, guys. Just look at it. All the lobster lovers, I want to see your comments in the comment section. I want to see your thumbs up for this video. I want to see you share this video with at least 10 friends, all your lobster loving friends, and show them this beautiful lobster recipe done in Portland, Jamaica. The beautiful Portland, Jamaica. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Now we're gonna put it on the fire. Give it about how much, Cray? 40 minutes, 50 minutes? I said about 50 minutes. Alright, guys, now look at this. After 50 minutes, look at this beautiful recipe. Guys, look at that. Look at this. Now, guys, here's the plating for the recipes. Guys, please remember, like, share, subscribe to more awesome recipes. Now I'm going to be the taster. They say the proof is in the taste, so let's go. Thank you for this recipe, Cray, and for this collaboration. Now I'm going to dig in a piece of the Irish potato. Now look at that chunk of lobster that I'm about to take off. As I said, guys, these damn, yes, guys, awesome. Tastes nice. Thumbs up for that one, Cray. Now, as I said, guys, please remember, like, share, subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you.